What we have here is a dead battery. A fully charged battery should be 12.6 volts. This is coming in at 11. Will not start. Today I'll show you how to change the battery and load test it. Make sure your alternator is putting out enough to fully charge the battery when the engine is running. We have an 8mm. We're going to take the negative, post off first, and then the positive. And there's a plastic shroud that comes off. And then down here is a battery hold down clamp. Happens to be a 8mm as well. Take the battery hold down clamp. We'll take and use a brush, clean up the terminals. Cable ends. Then we'll install the battery cables, the positive first and then the negative. Now that the terminals are clean and the cable ends, put the plastic cover on. We're going to reattach the battery cables, positive first and then the negative. Okay, I switched to a different meter here, hoping that it'll show up a little better for the video. What we're going to do now is start the engine, and the charging should be around 14 volts or under, and then I'm going to turn on all the accessories, the high beams, the windshield wipers, the blower, the radio and everything, and it should be charging at just over 13 volts, and if that is the case, then your alternator is fine.